Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena. If you're new to my channel, hi, how are you? If you could please like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. And if you're not new, then welcome back. Every Monday I do Monday mask videos, and every Wednesday I've been kind of doing a new segment on my channel, doing story times. I thought today I would do something else because I was filming to do a serious kind of story time about Gabriel Fernandez, and I felt after watching more of the trial and what I've already videoed, I kind of already deleted it. I just felt like I wanted to put something happy on YouTube rather than something sad, just because I was watching more of it and it's just heartbreaking, and I feel like I don't want to put more of that right now on YouTube because I feel like more people are going to be posting about Gabriel Fernandez, and I just don't really feel comfortable kind of talking about it right now just because it's a really sad subject. Anyways, so instead of doing that video today, I thought I would do something fun. And if you want to know more information about the trial of Gabriel Fernandez, like I said, I'll be posting a link down in the description box on how you can know more information about that. But I thought I would do something different instead of doing a story time about that, just because I just can't right now. I'm just gonna cry more. But the fun thing that I was thinking about doing was showing what I'm going to pack for this weekend coming up. What I'm going to pack for my friend's bachelorette party. So we're going to San Diego, and we're going to the gas lamp district. So I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to pack in my suitcase, and hopefully you'll like see what I pack in my suitcase. Well, makeup wise and clothes wise, so stay tuned, and yeah, let's get right into it. So this is look number one. This is a O'Neill kind of crop top shirt that I will iron. Mom, I will iron this. And a skirt. This is a Free People skirt I got from Nordstrom Rack. And a belt, snakeskin belt from Nordstrom Rack. So this is look number one. Let me packing. So hopefully you like it. Don't, that sucks. So yeah. This is look number two. So I got this Billabong shirt from Nordstrom Rack, and I actually just ripped off the tag for it, so will not be returning. And with this Gucci belt and a white short. So this is look number two. I think this is like one of my favorite looks because I think I'm hotter than a biscuit in this, so yeah. This is look number two. If I just suck in my belly the entire time, I'll look fine. Alright, but yeah, this is look number two. So this is look number three. I don't know the brand of shirt this is because I ripped out the tag, because I think I probably was really annoyed by it. With this like black belt that I got from Nordstrom Rack. Oh my god, this is like a Nordstrom Rack haul, I feel like. And then I got these, I believe they're AG pants, but I really like these pants. They're like one of my favorite high-waisted pants. And so I think I'm like gonna go out to the bars with this outfit. Looks really nice. Maybe with like a high boot. I haven't really determined shoes yet. I'll just do the shoes later, and I'll be like, I want to pair the shoes with these ones, but I will do that later, including makeup. So this is look number three. Yeah. So I just finished packing my bag, and it's just got like, I put some bras and underwear in it, and that's pretty much like the outfits that I'm going to be wearing there. So I figure I would show you my makeup bag, which I need to clean out my makeup bag anyways, just because I don't remember how long I haven't cleaned it before and how long, so, and she's dirty, so I need to like, we're just gonna put the stuff over it, doesn't matter, but yeah, I'll just show you what I'm gonna be putting in it. I'm gonna be bringing my e.l.f. primer, the poreless primer. I love that poreless primer, and the Patrick Ta, the A Dream Champagne, the Major Glow oil. I absolutely love this oil, and I'll be showing a lot of skin, so I kind of want to shimmer it up. I'm going to be bringing the Diamond Dust Stila eyeshadow, and I don't know if I need this just because it's not really my color. I'm going to bring the rest of the LA Girl Coverage foundation. I don't have a lot left, so I'm just going to bring it for funsies. I'm going to bring the Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. This is ideal for my T-zone. And then my foundation stick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm in the shade beige, so I'm not a beige hoe. I'm also going to bring my Tarte Shape Tape. I got the collection where they came with like a little flamingo on top, so that's a really cute charm. I really like it for that. I'm just going to bring this Pretty Vulgar. I'm probably going to use it kind of like as a primer, even though I shouldn't, for an eyeshadow base. I'm also going to bring the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer. I don't leave my house without this thing with me. I have like, I think 3 of them right now. Peach Perfect foundation, vanilla, in the shade vanilla. This is a little dark, so hopefully I get a little tan when I'm in San Diego. And then I'm also going to bring this eyeshadow, Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Ideal for that. I haven't determined if I want to bring my flat iron or not, so I'm going to have to figure out, you know, if I should bring it or not, just because I just got a new one from my BoxyCharm, so I might bring that one. But I'm going to bring these clips just because I love clipping my hair back when I do my makeup. I'm going to bring my favorite bronzer, the Butter Bronzer from Physician Formula. I should bring a palette with it instead, so it has like a 2-in-1. But I don't want like a bunch of junky palettes in it, so I'm going to just bring the necessities. It's really hard for me because like I am a huge makeup. This is like only a small bit of my makeup. So unfortunately I have an addiction, but I'm going to bring my, now that I cleaned my bed, I have also decided to bring some palettes. So I'm going to bring this palette, the Celestical Thunder palette I got from a BoxyCharm. I've just been using the heck out of it, so I really like these colors, so I'm going to bring this. I'm also going to bring this palette just because it's got a lot of neutrals in it, and I really like the bronzers, so I like variety, guys. I like variety. So I'm also deciding to bring this one, which is the travel size of the James Charles palette. I'm glad I got this one, and I waited for this one because the other one's humongous, and I don't know where I would store it just because like my little shelf that has all my palettes is already small, so I'm going to bring this one so I can travel with it. That's it's supposed to be for. And I know it's got all these amazing colors in it, but I'm also going to bring my Huda Beauty just because it's got all the pinks and cute colors in it, just in case I want some other colors. So I am going to not put anything else in this bag. It's kind of terrific that I've condensed it down to actually fit. Let's see if it will zip actually. This bag never like zips closed. So because as you can see, I have a makeup problem. So there that is. I tore the other one. See, this is what happens. I need to get like a paper clip, but it shuts, so that's what's good. So I have the makeup in here, and I'm going to somehow put it in there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But this little bag I got from the holiday sale from Rite Aid. It is a Dove bag, and I got the 75% off, so I was just like kind of waiting for when I have to go to a to-go trip. Came with this cute little Dove bag. And I'm just going to bring the stuff that's inside it just because it's got travel size already instead of buying travel size stuff. Got this body wash. There's a anti-percent, but I have organic one, so I won't be using this. I just don't trust that, so I'm going to do the shampoo, and I have the conditioner in here. So I'm going to put that in there. And then I also have Briogeo, the micro exfoliating shampoo, and I love this shampoo. And I got this in a travel size because I got the full size and then it came with minis, so I saved the minis, and so I got this shampoo, I got this leave-in conditioner spray, and I got the Blow Dry Perfection cream, so I'm gonna use that. And I had something else I was going to put in here other than that. No, I think that will be good because it has like all my protectant from heat, so I have, you know, if I decide to bring my flat iron or not, I'll be good for that. So that's all I'm gonna stuff in there. I mean, yeah, I'll just keep my skincare. I mean, since it's such a, I feel like I have more skincare than shampoo, I'm just going to transfer bags. I just found this stuff. I think it was from the last time I used this bag, which was kind of a while ago. So I'm going to put all my shampoo and stuff in there. Well, actually, while I'm at it, I'm just going to put my... So I have this organic deodorant in charcoal, and I'm just going to shove that in there, and it's all cute and travel size. See, like my skincare would not all fit in this bag, so just shake that around, and then make room for that. Alright, in this bag, in the Dove bag, I'm going to put in my Clarisonic. I have this Kate Somerville biomimicking peptides serum. Smooth plus firmings. I've been just kind of using it and see if it works, so I've been just kind of seeing if it works. I haven't seen much of a difference yet, but we'll see. I'm going to bring my toner. It's a ridiculously big toner, but I have some left of that. Don't need a peel. I'm going to bring my Eradicate mask. I really like this mask, so I'm going to bring that. Oh, here's the spray. So I was going to bring this detangling spray, but I don't need to bring it since I have the other one in now. I'm going to also bring this Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. And this other facial oil by Drunk Elephant. And the Saturday Skin Moisturizer. And then my second toner, which is the Dark Spot Toner, and I've been really liking this. It's actually been really helpful in eradicating my dark circles. This is not all going to fit in here. Alright, I'm not going to bring my mask. I'm going to bring this mask instead. This is the Out of Trouble Origins mask. And then I'm going to bring my sun drops just for my SPF. And then my cleanser. So hopefully this will close. And a drum roll, please. God. See, this bag used to be cute, now it's gonna be a little wrinkled, but here's my skincare. So honestly I cannot believe I fit all this stuff in like 3 bags. I'm really proud of myself. I've actually changed. So obviously my cleaning pads didn't fit in here, so I will just put that separately. And then look, I found some lipsticks, so I'm just gonna probably pop these in my purse just for different lipsticks I can do. After searching for all these things, because I was like freaking out because I almost forgot my bathing suit. So this is the one I'm gonna be wearing. I think it's really cute. I wore it to like Pride a few years ago. I think, wait, it's upside down. Yeah, so it's like this, and it's little straps, so I just strap it in the back. And these are the bottoms. It didn't come with bottoms, so I just got some cheap ones from Target, and it's really cute. It pairs well. So I'm gonna wear those 2. And then my friend Gladys, my best friend, she got me this cute thing from when she went to Kauai recently. And it's a little skirt that I'm gonna like wear with it at the beach. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm gonna wear that. Fold it all nicely when I pack it in, but I almost forgot about these shirts that we got when we were getting our bridesmaids dresses. So this one says the bride's flock, so we're gonna wear that a certain day. It was in my closet, so I need to iron it, but that is one of the things I got. And if any of y'all girls are watching, remember to bring yours, because like I almost forgot. But I'll text them. I'll be like, girls, don't forget. And then we got these little cute PJ dresses. It says Bride's Beaches. And I really like that. It's really cute. So we got those 2 things. So we're gonna wear those certain days and kind of choreograph what we're gonna do with those. And because I have a huge addiction bringing a bunch of clothes, I thought this would be a cute little shirt to bring as well. Maybe with my capris I could wear it. So I will be bringing those items, as well as, you know, toothbrush and toothpaste I saved from my recent dentist trip. So I have those and some cotton pads. And that kind of concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to see you, seeing my videos more and really enjoying it. So leave me a like, comment, subscribe, whatever you feel like. If you don't feel like doing it, then bye-bye. Alright? Have a good one. Bye.